We're making roasted potatoes the steakhouse way. Okay, we're just gonna prep our potatoes to get it ready to roast them in the oven. So first thing that we wanna peel them. The easiest way to peel a potato, stick a fork in it like this to keep your hands away from there. Use your peeler, and then you can just kind of go down and not be worried about banging your fingers. Just wanna make sure I don't have any big chunks of skin still on it. That will disturb the texture of these fluffy insides of these that we're trying to make. We wanna make sure we're cutting them into equal pieces. So I typically think I can get about 6 portions out of each one of these. These are big potatoes. Sometimes if they're this big, you might even be able to get 8 out of them. You want to try to make sure that they're all equal in size. We're going to take the potatoes, stick them in the refrigerator, let them sit for about 4 hours. Now that we've got the potatoes out of the refrigerator and out of the water they were soaking in, we can now boil them with water and salt. Now we want to use fresh water, so make sure we dump that old water that we are soaking the potatoes in to remove that starch. From here, we'll boil these around 20 minutes and then we'll check on the tenderness of the potato with a fork soon. With the potatoes boiling now, we're gonna put these pans into the oven to preheat them. We're gonna wanna put about 1 inch of oil standing in each of the pans that we're gonna roast the potatoes in. And then I'm gonna put another 2 cups of oil in this pan that we're gonna heat up simultaneously. I know it seems like a lot of oil, but any good steakhouse that has good roasted potatoes will do it very similar to this. Okay, you can see the potatoes, some of them are starting to fall apart, so that means we got them right to where we want them from when they're temperature cooked right, because we want them to be in big chunks and really kind of soft in the middle. So the next step is really critical here. We're going to take our very hot pots and pans, place the potatoes into them, and then pour some of the hot oil we've already heated up, the roasting process. Just to pour a little oil over the top of these, each one of these. All right, you can see we have this beautiful crust on the potatoes now. We'll stick them back in the oven for probably another 20 to 25 minutes to get them cooked and browned on the other side. Now let's remove the potatoes from the oil, place them on a paper towel to help remove some of the excess oil. I like to finish them with a sprinkle of my rosemary salt. All right, let's give our oven roasted potatoes a shot. These are going to be outstanding. I can tell the crispiness of them, the cook on them is perfect. You can hear it as my fork kind of cuts through. They're nice and soft with that crisp, pillowy inside potato. Those are the best roasted potatoes you'll ever have, guaranteed. It's kind of like a potato pancake, if you've ever had one of those. Crispy on the outside, pillowy soft potato on the inside. That salt is perfect. That rosemary salt with just a little bit of the lemon zest gives it some really fresh overtones. Beautiful. Love this. What a great thing. I hope you like this recipe. For many more of these, please like and subscribe to the channel.